When it comes to plumbing, safety is everything. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, great to have you. Are you looking to sharpen your plumbing skills? Maybe save yourself some money, or even learn some of the tricks of the trade? Then consider subscribing down below and ringing that bell icon. That way you won't miss any of my awesome videos. Let's get right to it. Plumbing safety tip number 1. Always use protective eyewear when you're working with plumbing. One of the most important safety things that I have on my van are safety glasses. These were bought for $5 at my local Bass Pro Shops. And they're colored a little yellow, and they're not completely enclosed. And the reason why I like these is they're lightweight. I can see through them very well. It dims a little bit of the sunlight, but it still allows me to see clearly. And they don't fog up like regular conventional safety glasses do. Safety product number 2. Always make sure when you're plumbing, and if you are a plumber, you find yourself on your knees quite often. So I always try to carry a good pair of knee pads with me. These babies right here cost me about $5 at my local Harbor Freight. And I'll tell you what, at the end of the day, I'm happy that I have them because nobody's getting younger around here. Safety product number 3. Always make sure when you're in an area that has glues and maybe using a jackhammer or something like that, it's good to have a good dust mask. Now, you don't want to cheap out on these things, and the reason why is because you get what you pay for with them. Spend a little bit extra money and you'll have something to be talking about at the end of the day instead of gasping for air because you breathe all that crap in. Safety product number 4. Always make sure to protect your hearing, especially when you're in a loud area, maybe commercial, high-speed drill, or even using a jackhammer. You don't want to lose your hearing because before you know it, if you run that kind of loud, constant every day, you can create and acquire what's called tinnitus, and everybody knows that. You have a constant ringing in your ear and you can't ever get rid of it. So make sure to take a couple minutes to protect things that you have to have. Safety product number 5. This is one of my most important things that I use, and I'm going to show you a variance of a few different kinds that I have on the van. That would be safety gloves. Okay, first of all, I work around a lot of nasty stuff being a plumber. These are disposable gloves. Alright, you can buy a box of them at your local Harbor Freight for about $8. Also, along with that, I usually carry a $5 pair of goat skin gloves. Always protect your hands, because if you don't have your hands, you don't have anything. And also this helps with keeping any kind of sharp objects from poking into your hand. Also, these are not cheap. I got these from a local plumbing supply. These are some big time gloves that I use, if you can see them or not. Yes, I use these gloves for when I clean out drains, and when I'm holding on to that snake that's beating around and stuff like that, it's not going to tear my hand up. Last but not least, safety product number 6. Your basic safety cone. I use this every time that I have to park my van outside of a driveway alongside of a street. I have to work off of my van or in my van, and I just want to make sure I have a little bit of a safety zone for when cars are going by, that nobody's going to come up too close and hit one of my doors or hit me. Remember, it only takes a couple moments to be safe. So I hope this video has helped you. If you have any more suggestions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear about it. Let me know what you guys use when you're out in the field or even around the house or anything. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, this has been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.